How to fix GCash app authentication failed. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. If you're encountering the authentication failed error on GCash app, here's how you can fix it. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings application. Inside here, simply tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for GCash and then tap onto it. Inside here, tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the stories used by GCash and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you have done that, go ahead and reinstall the application. Once it is done, head back to your home screen and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can lead to authentication failures. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Also ensure that your connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. Now after you have done that, ensure your device is secure. GCash may restrict access on devices that are rooted or jailbroken for security reasons. If your device is rooted or jailbroken, consider using a device with standard security settings. Ensure that your device operating system is up to date. Also, you want to go ahead and simply reinstall the GCash app. For that, long press onto it, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. If clearing cache and checking your internet connection does not help, reinstalling the application might resolve the issue. Once you have installed the application, visit the App Store again and then reinstall it. Open the app and attempt to log in again. And just like that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.